never stop, won't stop, get dropped. 10 white toes and them toy flip flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies get stop. Cause I'm icy, icy. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one to RP up on no fights. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci.
Hello everybody, it's your girl Wani May and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you my wash day routine using the new L'Oreal Everpure Bond Repair. It comes with a Prepoo, shampoo, and conditioner. I got really excited when I saw this product because it was marketed as a more affordable bond repair system. For the last year I've been using Olaplex. I only use the shampoo, conditioner, and the oil, which is number 7. And I really like the results, and I feel like if not for Olaplex my hair wouldn't be as healthy as it is now. But again, I was super excited to find a cheaper alternative because, as some of you may know, Olaplex is $30 a bottle. Now for the L'Oreal Everpure set, the Prepoo was $12.99. I got this from Walgreens. The shampoo was $9.99 at Walgreens. They didn't have the conditioner, so I had to order the conditioner from Amazon, and I don't remember how much I paid, but it was less than what I paid for the shampoo at Walgreens. So really affordable, and the price point is amazing. And in comparison to Olaplex, where I would spend $90 on 3 bottles, I spent about $40 for these 3 products here. So that's really great because, you know, we are baddies on a budget over here. I wanted to make this video because when I searched on YouTube, I didn't see any black women or type 4 hair videos with this product, so I said I'm gonna do it. So here I am to show you how this product worked for me. As you can see by the results, it was amazing, and it's the second time I've used it, but this time and the last time I've achieved like the best silk presses I've had in a very long time. So I'm gonna pretty much start walking you through my process. My wash day routine is my wash day routine. I found that this process works best for me. It may not work for you, but I enjoy it. It gets the job done. So the first step in this process is the Bond Strengthening Concentrate Pre-Shampoo. Now, I typically wash my hair in sections, and as you can see, I sectioned my hair off into 6 different pieces. And for a normal wash day, I would follow the same steps. My Prepoo is a little bit different because I don't have the step before the shampoo for Olaplex. So normally I have a separate Prepoo routine. Kept everything else in my wash day routine consistent outside of me switching out the shampoo and conditioner and the Prepoo with the L'Oreal. The instructions on the pre-shampoo states, apply to damp hair prior to shampoo. Wait 5 to 10 minutes, rinse and follow with the Bond Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner. And you can see me here in the video spraying my hair because my hair is dry, and then I apply what I feel is a reasonable amount of the pre-shampoo. Once I apply it and detangle, I braid that section. I continue with each section on my head. So once I get done with my Prepoo, it's now time to go ahead and hop in the shower and wash it out. I followed with the shampoo, of course. Now the instructions on the shampoo say, apply to wet hair and massage gently into a thick lather, rinse thoroughly, and follow with Everpure Bond Strengthening Conditioner. Random sidebar, I always thought videos in the shower were so weird, and here I am making my own video in the shower. But anyway, I put in the conditioner, waited 3 minutes, and then washed it out. If you're wondering why I wash my hair like this, it's just because it's easier, it sheds less this way, and it's just better in my opinion. Before I blow dry, I take the Chi Straight Guard Smoothing Cream and apply that, then follow with the Chi Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray. And the blow dryer is the Revlon One Step hair dryer. I'll have the link to everything below. Please check out my Amazon storefront. I mean, I think the blowout speaks for itself. It looks so good. The key to a good silk press is a really good blowout. And I use the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Flat Iron on 410 degrees. Another key factor in getting a really good silk press is making sure that you're straightening in small portions and that your hair is detangled. Once I got done, I didn't finish filming, but I wrapped my hair, and this is me taking it down before I installed my clip-ins. I didn't get to film me putting my clip-ins in because I was running late for work. I was literally up all night doing my hair. These are some clip-ins I made myself out of some really old hair I got from Kendra's Boutique, I think back in 2018, but it still looks so good. And I really love how silky my hair came out. It just came out so nice. It looks so healthy, it's shiny, it has body. Ultimately, I'm impressed. My rating for these products would be 10 out of 10. I would say it's definitely comparable to the Olaplex treatment. L'Oreal, you've got a new loyal customer because I will be using this more frequently. I'm overly satisfied with my results. I was not expecting them to be so great. Like, my hair is literally luscious. Save your coins, sis. Put the Olaplex down and just give it a try at least. It's literally almost half the cost. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed. If you have any suggestions, please leave them down in the comment section below. And just so everyone is clear, I cannot stress this enough. We are on the road to 500 subscribers. So if you are not subscribed and you're watching this video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. When we get to 500 subscribers, I'm doing a wig giveaway. So what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button and tell your friends. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.